Helicopters, cars, accidents. Yeah, how lame would that be? The wrecking crew, everyone who put in their time and energy to work with that, even the kids who just had to play dead, you know, that really showed me how great it can be to work with people you trust. I was not prepared for hot jet blast in my face.
In your face. It's like 3D.
But as soon as that happened, that really made it real for me. At that moment, it was kind of like, this is happening. It definitely brought out my yelling side, my logistical side, and I really enjoyed being a part of it because it showed me a lot about the way I work with other people, and how I was able to work with this crew was just, you know, amazing.
The whole time we were on set, it was like working on a job, but it was also like a vacation because everyone was very passionate about storytelling and about faith.
I really need to thank the community of Medallion County and the surrounding areas.
I basically do whatever Sean asked me to do. No, I was, as assistant director, I would like to think that I take care of direction of the crew, where the director, Sean, would take care of the actors.
We really came together.
My favorite production moment would have been during the accident scene in the helicopter, but before the helicopter got there. And being able to work with everyone, the fire department, the police department.
And it was a great team.